Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace the battery in a Hyundai Sonata Key Fob, full guide. Start by locating the seam on your fob and gently pry it open with a flat tool. Keeping small parts organized, remove the old CR2032 battery. Note orientation. Insert the new CR2032 with the positive side up. Snap the case closed, and test buttons to confirm signal and locking functions work properly. Gather a small flathead tool, a replacement CR2032 battery, and a soft cloth to protect surfaces. Work on a clean table with good light and avoid static or metal contact. Carefully observe the battery orientation and keep tiny springs and buttons in a safe dish. If your fob has a mechanical key, remove it first. Take photos during disassembly to help reassemble the parts in the correct order and orientation. Quick recommendation: if you like gadgets that save time, subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. It really helps the channel. Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes tidying effortless and frees up time for car projects. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider it a handy household upgrade for busy years. Now let's get back to the video. After replacing the battery, press each button to verify LED or response and step outside to test range with your vehicle. If the fob fails to work, reseat the battery and check contact cleanliness with a cotton swab. Consider reprogramming if necessary or consult a dealer. Keep old batteries disposed of responsibly at a recycling center. Store spare batteries in a cool, dry place away from children and pets to avoid hazards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.